Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. And today we have box number 3 of the Michaels clearance grab bag boxes that we got for $10. So stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so today we have box number 3 of the Michaels clearance grab bag boxes, and we've already done box 1 and 2. I have a total of 6 boxes that we purchased at Michaels for the fall clearance grab bag boxes. So this is box number 3, and I've been pretty happy so far. The last box wasn't as great as the first one. The first box was amazing. If you guys haven't seen the boxes that I've opened already, you got to check them out. Box number 1 had almost $500 worth of merchandise in there, and box number 2 had around $200 worth of merchandise. And being that we're only paying $10 a box, I really don't have any complaints. I was kind of hoping for more crafting items, more so, like ribbon, bows, yarn, things like that I could use for crafting. This is more like decorative, I think, so far, is the majority is mostly of that. But that's okay. It won't go to waste. I'm a reseller, so I'm going to lot up together certain items and bundle them and sell them online next year. If you guys see anything that you're interested in and want to purchase them, just hit me up on an email. My email is in the description, and I will be happy to offer you a wonderful deal on any of this stuff that I'm unboxing. So, alright guys, so let's get started. Here's our box here, and we're going to open it together. As I've said in the other 2 boxes, none of them had tape on them, which was a little bit shocking and concerning, because I was worried that maybe some of the boxes were rummaged through already. But so far so good. I mean, like I said, the second box was not as good as the first one, but I'm not complaining by any means. So let's see what we have in box number 3. See, it's completely open. Like this is, if they had this on the floor like this, I find it hard to believe that people didn't go through them. And it doesn't look like they had any tape on them. So leave a comment down below if you guys have received your boxes that were not taped. I'm curious if it was just my store that did it like this, or if this is like a, that there are stores out there that don't tape them up. So please leave a comment down below if you've bought these before and they were not taped up. I would love to know. Alright guys, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I see multiples, guys. We see multiples. This could be good or it could be bad. Okay, looks like there's only 3 items in here, guys. That's not good. Let's see here. Let me pull the box down. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I just went and folded the box down so it would be easier for me to get these out. And it looks like there's only 3 items in here. What in the world? Okay guys, back up a little bit. This thing's a little freaky. Alrighty, it looks like we have an LED. I've seen people get these, but they had cute ones like black cat or a ghost. Mine's a scary pumpkin. Let's see what he looks like. Okay. That's pretty cool. I mean, he's kind of scary. We got 3 of them, which makes them, what, $3.33 a piece. And they do have a price of $30 on there. I would not pay $30 for this, but I wonder if I could sell this on Amazon. I'll be right back. Let me see if I'm gated on Amazon for this. Okay, yeah, I wasn't able to check on Amazon because I had a flag on my Amazon account because I guess my debit card I had to get a new debit card because I lost it, and because I didn't verify my new payment method, it now takes 48 hours for them to verify it before I go back on my Amazon account, but no big deal. We'll check it out in, next week or whatever and see, because that would be really good if I could, being that I have multiples of this would be really good item to sell on Amazon. And it's pretty cool. I think, yeah, Amazon would be a good place, or even eBay. But the box is big. I don't like how big the box is. It's going to cost a bit for shipping. But like I said, I paid $3.33 for each of these. So if I could sell them and at least make my money back, I would be happy. I don't know. Do you guys see these as being very, very popular? Hey, Sassy. My cat is back. Every time I sit down, she comes over and wants to say hello. Do you see these as being a profitable item? I'm thinking, unless I was doing like a haunted house or something, I don't see these as being very profitable. I wouldn't buy, basically what I'm saying is I would not buy this, but I don't buy this kind of scary stuff, so that's just me. Alright guys, well that's kind of a big bummer. I got 3 items and they're all the exact same. I don't know guys, that's kind of a little bit of a bummer, being that I was getting $400 or $500 merchandise totals on my other boxes, and then to get this, it's not even $100. It's kind of a bummer. Why would they put all 3 in one box? That doesn't make sense. Why wouldn't you separate these and put a couple, like one of these with some smaller items. This way everybody's getting something like a nice big item, because I've seen some people open up boxes and they just have smalls. There's nothing big in there. So my cat is like enjoying the cardboard boxes. I think that's why she's probably over here bugging me. She should not be on the table. But anyways, guys, so I was not expecting to have such a small haul for you guys to show you guys here. So you know what I can do? I got a Teemo delivery right before I started this video, so I can do like a Teemo haul real quick. Let's see. I didn't open this and see what we got from Teemo today. I think I should be just about done with getting my stuff for my craft items that I'm making. Okay. And guys, that are sensitive to the crinkle sound, please cover your ears. We got Teemo here, and we all know what that means. Crinkle. It's impossible to avoid. I'll try and not touch it as much, but it's pretty impossible not to make a noise. You know what I mean? So really quick before we move on, what did you guys think of this box? Would you guys have been happy with 3 of the exact same thing? Imagine if I wasn't a reseller and you got 3 of the exact same item. Like, what are they thinking? Good Lord. All right. Then we have our Teemo. Cover your ears. Let me take the stuff out of the bag because I'm trying to do it quietly and there's no quiet way of doing it. So let me take the stuff out of the bag and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I have is more of the Christmas twine. I went through almost the entire roll doing my craft projects over the last couple of weeks, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough. So we have a whole nother roll, and this was $2 and change. And it's got the red and the green and the white, so it's really pretty. I really like that a lot. That's item number 1. Item number 2, we got our gift tags. A lot of people have been asking where I've been getting my gift tags. They're really liking those, and these are from Teemo. I don't have, I'm not affiliated with them or whatsoever, but if you go on Teemo, you'll be able to find them. And they are $3 and like 12 cents or something. They're super cheap, and you get 50 of them. And then it comes with the twine, which is really good. I love that, the look of it, you know, with the twine on it. It's super cheap, $2. And I've been using them for everything from my blind date with a book. I used them on my cozy packs. And I think I'm up to almost 50 cozy packs made total so far since the season started. So that's pretty good. And yeah, so if I have any extras, I'll just use them for my own personal gifts this year. And this, guys, is making a hot mess all over my dining room table. These are the pine, the flocked pine. See if I can turn it over. These are so pretty. I love these, but let me tell you, when you open it to go and put them on a craft, that the flocked snow or whatever goes on everything. And I believe there's 25 in here. And I'm using these for a lot of my Christmas projects. These were a little pricey. I got 25 of them for $15 and change. But they're so pretty. They really make your craft item pop. It really brings out, you know, a higher quality item, whatever you're making. I mean, whether it be your blind date with a book, I have them in there. I have them in the little stockings. I stuck them in stockings with the hot cocoa pack and the peppermint spoon, and then I put 2 Biscoff cookies in there. And yeah, so they turned out really good. And like I said, I think this is what made it really pop and really bring out like a nicer quality item. But yeah, so all right, guys, well, if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified the next time we put up a video. There's a hype button. If you guys care to hype it, that would be great. That's something that YouTube is using for small content creators to help them push their content out and be more competitive with the big YouTubers, I guess you can say, that get the millions of views. It helps them out by pushing it out a little bit further. And I've had a lot of success with that. You guys have been wonderful with that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I think I told you guys that we have, we got a notification that we were like number, I don't even know, 70 or something in another country, in Slovenia. It said, congratulations, your video was number 71 in Slovenia. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, that's pretty amazing. That hype button really works, guys. So it's not something to sleep on. If you guys have it and are able to use it, and if you think I earned it, please take advantage of it, because there are so many big content creators out there that have millions of subscribers, and it's almost impossible to compete with them in the algorithm because of the amount of views that they're getting. So being that they have the hype button, it really helps out us small content creators a great deal. And it doesn't cost you guys anything. Oops, sorry for the plastic noise. I dropped that by mistake. Yeah, it doesn't cost you guys anything, and it's just a great way to help out smaller channels. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it for today. I'm sorry I only have 3 items to show you guys. Like I said, I don't know why Michaels would put 3 big items like that and that be the only thing in the box. Like, if I only got those 3 items and I didn't have any other boxes, I would not be happy. I would be bumming, because that's such a disappointment. You know, you want to see a lot of little stuff. I know it's a lot of junky stuff and things that you really have no use for or whatever. So that's why it's good to lot them up. But really, it's fun to look at. I mean, who doesn't like a lot of mystery items? you know, but when you have only 3, and like I said, I paid $3.33 for each of these pumpkins, which is I mean, in comparison, being that they got $29.99 price tag on them, I think that's a great deal, but I would not pay that. I would not pay that money unless I was a big, you know, if I was doing like a haunted house maybe. That would be cute. But I wish if they were going to give me these, I would have gotten like the cat or the ghost. You know what I mean? But that's all right. I'm not complaining, guys. Definitely got my money back, my $10 out of it. So, but it's just kind of a bummer for you guys because this is my content for today's video. So sorry about that. At least we got to see some Teemo items. That was good. And all right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. And as always, stay blessed.